Tucked along the quiet stretch of Tankah Bay, just north of the buzzing town of Tulum, sits a resort that has spent years catching the eye of travelers looking for something a little more laid back than the average Mexican Caribbean getaway. The PavoReal Beach Resort Tulum has earned itself a solid reputation over the years as a mid-sized all-inclusive that leans into charm rather than flash, with a TripAdvisor score of around 4. 1 out of 5 across nearly 1,500 reviews and an 8.2 out of 10 on Expedia, it sits comfortably in the upper middle of the pack. Before diving in, it is worth mentioning that at the time of this review, the property has been reported as closed for renovations with no confirmed reopening date, so treat this as a look back and a look forward at what guests can hopefully expect once the doors swing open again. Now, let us take a proper tour and see what has made this beachside spot such a memorable stay for so many travelers. The rooms at PavoReal Beach Resort Tulum have always been part of its personality rather than a footnote. Guests have often described them as small but cute, with a warm cultural design that leans hard into traditional Mexican decor. Think earthy tones, rustic wood accents, colorful textiles, and little details that make you feel like you are somewhere specific rather than in another cookie-cutter chain hotel. Most rooms have offered air conditioning, private bathrooms, and either garden or ocean-facing views depending on where they sit on the property. The layout of the resort is spread out horizontally rather than stacked into a tower, which gives many rooms easy access to the gardens, paths, and the beach itself. Room categories at this kind of mid-size resort typically range from standard rooms suitable for couples to larger family-friendly options that can sleep 3 or 4 guests comfortably. Given that the property is not adults-only, families have historically been welcomed, and connecting or larger units have been a common request. Accessibility features and ground floor options have also been part of the mix, which makes it friendlier for travelers with mobility needs or anyone who simply does not want to lug a suitcase upstairs. What you will not find here is heavy smart tech like voice-controlled lighting or tablet-based room controls. Instead, the appeal has always been about atmosphere, ocean breezes drifting through the windows, and the sound of the waves nearby. For guests who want their room to feel like a peaceful retreat rather than a gadget showcase, that trade-off has usually landed well. Food and drink at PavoReal Beach Resort Tulum have played a big role in shaping the guest experience, since the property has traditionally operated on an all-inclusive concept. That means meals, snacks, and drinks are all bundled into the stay, which is a huge plus for anyone who does not want to think about a bill every time they order a taco or a cold drink. The main restaurant has served buffet-style meals covering breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with rotating themes that lean on Mexican classics along with international comfort foods to keep everyone happy. Guests have often praised the variety, especially the fresh fruits, grilled items, and local specialties that give the buffet some personality. Smaller specialty dining options and beachside grill spots have rounded out the culinary side, giving guests a change of scenery when they wanted something more relaxed. Bars at the resort have added a nice social layer to the experience. A lobby lounge and a beach or pool bar have typically been the go-to spots for cocktails, cold beers, and non-alcoholic refreshers throughout the day. The drink menu at this kind of all-inclusive tends to include the usual crowd pleasers like margaritas, mojitos, piña coladas, and simple tropical mixes, all included in the plan. What has separated PavoReal from noisier competitors closer to town is its calmer vibe. Reviewers have specifically noted that this resort offers a quieter atmosphere compared with the more party-focused hotels around Tulum. So if your idea of a good time is a slow sunset drink with your feet in the sand rather than a thumping beach club, this has been the kind of place that delivers. The pool and beach setup is arguably the heart of the property and where most guests seem to spend the bulk of their time. The resort sits right on Tankah Beach, a quieter stretch of coastline about half a kilometer from the main road, which has spared it from the crowds that pile onto the more famous Tulum beaches farther south. The sand here is soft and pale, the water tends to be calm and swimmable, and there is a reef nearby that has historically made snorkeling straight from the shore a treat. Loungers, palapas, and shady spots along the beach have been generously provided, and guests have not typically had to fight for a place to relax. The overall feeling is much more like a private cove than a busy resort strip, Pools at PavoReal have added a good complement to the beach without stealing the show. The main pool area has traditionally offered plenty of space to swim, float, or park yourself with a drink, along with sun loungers arranged around the deck. Because the resort has never been huge, the pool has usually stayed manageable in terms of crowds, even during busier weeks. Water activities have leaned toward the mellow side, with snorkeling gear, kayaks, and paddle equipment often available for guests to try. It is not the kind of place where you will find jet skis roaring by every 10 minutes, and honestly that is part of the appeal. For travelers who want to move at their own pace and pick between a dip in the pool and a swim in the sea whenever the mood strikes, this setup has worked beautifully. When it comes to activities, PavoReal has taken a gentle approach rather than trying to be an entertainment megaplex. Beach volleyball, water aerobics, and casual pool games have been part of the daytime schedule, with staff running light-hearted sessions that guests can jump into if they feel like it or skip if they would rather nap under a palm tree. Yoga on the beach and stretching sessions have often been part of the mix, which fits the overall wellness-friendly vibe of the Tulum region. The location itself opens up a huge menu of active options beyond the resort, from swimming in cenotes to diving trips and jungle excursions arranged through local tour operators. Fitness options at a resort this size typically include a modest gym with basic cardio machines and free weights, which is enough for guests who want to keep their routine going without missing a beat. Tennis and larger sports courts are not the main draw here, so travelers who are serious court players may want to look elsewhere or plan on doing their tennis at other venues in the area. Cultural and educational activities have come more from the surrounding region than the resort itself. The Yucatan Peninsula is packed with Mayan history, and having the Tulum ruins so close means guests can turn a lazy beach trip into a genuine cultural experience with almost no effort. For many visitors, that balance of low-key resort life and rich cultural exploration nearby has been the sweet spot. The spa and wellness side of PavoReal has been another quiet strength. While it has never been a massive destination spa, the property has offered treatments that fit the mood of Tulum, which is heavily influenced by holistic wellness culture. Massages, body scrubs, and simple facial treatments have been the kinds of services guests have historically enjoyed, often in an open-air or breezy setting that lets the ocean sound become part of the therapy. That connection to nature has always been a big part of the spa appeal in this part of Mexico, and PavoReal has leaned into it rather than trying to imitate the sterile marble palaces you might see at bigger urban hotels. Beyond formal treatments, wellness at the resort has taken shape through yoga sessions, beach walks, and the general absence of stress. Sauna and steam rooms are not usually the focus at beachfront resorts in this region, mostly because the climate outside already does most of the sweating for you. Detox programs in a strict clinical sense have not been part of PavoReal's identity either, but the natural pace of the property, combined with fresh food, clean water, and endless open sky, tends to leave guests feeling reset without needing a formal plan. For travelers who want their wellness gentle rather than intense, this has been a lovely fit. Because the resort has not been adults only, families with children have been part of the regular guest mix. Kids' clubs at a property this size have typically been modest, with basic supervised activities like crafts, games, and pool time designed to give parents a bit of breathing room. The beach itself has always been a natural playground, with calm, shallow waters that let kids splash safely under a watchful eye. Family rooms and connecting options have added convenience for parents traveling with little ones or teenagers. It is not the kind of mega resort with a full water park, but for families who want a slower, more nature-focused vacation, PavoReal has delivered a lot of value. The location has been another huge selling point, mostly because of what surrounds it. Downtown Tulum, also known as Tulum Pueblo, sits about 15 kilometers south and offers restaurants, shops, and a lively small-town feel that many guests enjoy exploring for an afternoon or evening. The famous Tulum Archaeological Zone, home to those iconic Mayan ruins perched on a cliff above the sea, is roughly the same distance away and is easily one of the most impressive historical sites in the region. Tankah Beach itself is essentially on the resort's doorstep, giving guests immediate access to swimming and snorkeling. A short drive north brings travelers to Akumal, about 20 kilometers away, which is famous for its calm bay and turtle sightings that draw visitors from all over. Cancun International Airport sits roughly 110 kilometers up the coast, which usually translates to a drive of about an hour and a half depending on traffic and shuttle stops. That distance has actually worked in PavoReal's favor, since it puts enough space between the resort and the busier Cancun corridor to keep the atmosphere calm, while still being reasonable for arrivals and departures. For guests who want the option of day trips to cenotes, snorkeling reefs, or nature reserves like Sian Can farther south, the location has been almost ideal. Taking the good and the not-so-good together, PavoReal Beach Resort Tulum has always been a mixed bag depending on what you are looking for. The strengths have consistently been the quiet beach, the relaxed atmosphere, the friendly and attentive staff, and the location that puts you close to major attractions without dropping you into the middle of chaos. Guests on Expedia have called it a very good all-inclusive, with highlights being the beach, the pools, and the staff, which is exactly the kind of feedback most travelers hope to hear. The TripAdvisor community has also been generally positive, especially about the cultural character of the rooms and the value of the all-inclusive package. On the weaker side, some guests have pointed out that the property has felt dated at times, with rooms and facilities that could use a refresh. One reviewer went as far as to call it the worst hotel in Tulum for price and quality, though that was a clear outlier compared with the overall scores. The ongoing closure and renovation reported by management suggests that these concerns are being addressed, which is genuinely encouraging news for future visitors. The hope, of course, is that the upgrades will preserve the charm and character that made the resort special while smoothing out the rough edges that dragged down some reviews. Anyone considering a future stay should check for updated information once the property officially reopens. What has really made PavoReal stand out among Tulum resorts is the combination of authentic Mexican character, a quiet beach location, and an all-inclusive plan that keeps things simple. In a region increasingly known for high-priced boutique hotels and party-focused beach clubs, having a mid-sized property that focuses on relaxation, family friendliness, and cultural warmth has been a genuine niche. The Tankah Bay area itself is a huge asset, offering a slower pace than the main Tulum beach strip while still being close enough for easy day trips. Snorkeling straight from the shore, palapa-shaded loungers, and sunsets over calm water have all added up to the kind of vacation that leaves people planning their next visit before they have even packed. Events and conference facilities have not been the main focus of the resort, but small group gatherings, destination weddings, and modest celebrations have historically been possible thanks to the beach setting and the relaxed layout. Couples looking for a barefoot ceremony with the ocean as a backdrop have often found this kind of property to be exactly what they wanted. It is not a venue for corporate conventions, and that is honestly part of its charm. Guest experience highlights have most often come from the little moments rather than grand gestures. Staff members have been repeatedly described as friendly and attentive, greeting guests by name after just a day or two, and going out of their way to make sure meals, drinks, and daily plans go smoothly. Sunset walks along Tankah Beach, spontaneous chats with bartenders who genuinely seem happy to be there, and the simple pleasure of waking up to the sound of the sea have all shown up again and again in guest stories. When PavoReal Beach Resort Tulum returns from its renovations, those human touches will likely remain the true heart of the place, and that is worth waiting for. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.